way, you they call a nigga big way.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Big 360 and I'm back at y'all with another YouTube video. And today I just got a package in the mail. So as y'all see, I got the LED lights up, the strips. So I was trying to convince my mother and my father to get the LED light strips for other places in the house, especially their room, but they wasn't with it. Like, they was like, oh, I don't want the strips, I don't really care about the lights going up in the ceiling. They wanted a lamp, but like I was still trying to convince them to get like the strips. I was trying to get my friends that got strips to convince them to get the strips or whatever, but they wasn't going for it. It was just wanting a lamp. So my mother actually found a lamp that has all the stuff like the strips do. So I'm like, alright, that's cool, but I still wasn't going for the lamp. So she showed me a couple of lamps. She wanted me to check them out. Me, I'm so all about what I want. So I'm like, nah, this and that, this and that. But I was looking at the lamp. The lamp actually cool. I'm like, alright. So I'm watching videos on the lamp, but I'm like, alright, it's cool. They have many different versions of the lamp. So I found the best one I feel like, and I ordered it. So guess what we got? This came Amazon Prime. The lamp is very heavy, so let's get into it. Turn this white. Ooh. And then we gotta pop the bubbles. Like a big old kid, yo. Woo. I see it. Hold on. So as y'all see here, we have the smart floor lamp. As y'all see here, we got the smart floor lamp. But yeah, it says, warning, forbid children to play alone. Do not drench, meaning do not get water on it. Dimensions, 22x 168 centimeters. NWG 4300G. Vortex unplug. AC 100. 240V, 50, 60 colors, multiple colors, 2700K through 6,500K. Paige, close my door. All dimensions. See that over here. Get that. What else we got? We got all the things that the light full lamp does. It has 16 million colors, max 2000 aluminum, remote control, meaning that it's a smart app that you control with your phone, voice control, music sync, just like the strip lights, memory functions, sunrise and sunset. That's wavy. It's just like the strips. We got on this side. Control your lights with your voice. Compatible with Google and Alexa. The phone app. Colorful. Orange, purple, green, yellow, and white. 2.4 Wi-Fi network, RGB, CT, 16 million colors to choose from. Smart Life. It's called the Smart Life app. So it has Alexa and Google, the Smart app, some of the colors. What do we have on this side? Product name is Smart Floor Lamp. Product model LDD25WG. Product material is plastic cast iron hardware. The manufacturer, Shanghai Bling Light Technologies. This is rated an A+ lamp. They have this is rated an A+ lamp. They have the rating over here. They have EDCBA A+, and A++ is an A+ lamp. So yeah, guys, back to the front. We have the Hujui Smart Floor Lamp. As y'all can see, the colorful light. So I'll be back to y'all when we open this thing. Alright, guys. So here we have the Smart Floor Lamp. So let's get into unboxing. Come closer. So you see they have like the family thing. Show you that's a family lamp. That's a nice feature. So here we have the connecting cord. And we have the poles. For what I know, you screw all the poles together to make the long flow part before you can stand up. See, this is the instructions. This is their card if you need help. Email, website. We did buy this from Amazon. Oh, this is the bottom. This is very heavy. This is the bottom for the floor lamp. It's very heavy. Make sure anything is broken. This is the lamp frame part with the pole with the wire going down it. So and this is the connecting cord that you plug into the wall and to the floor part. Anything else in that box? Oh, we just got a phone. So I'll be back at y'all when I get this thing put together. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all the app now to the lamp, LED lamp. So this is the LED lamp. You press the power button on it. It cuts on. Click on it. Make it lower. You can make it brighter. We're in my living room right now, so it's covering the whole living room. You can make it bright, or you can make it dim. Then we got the colors. We got red, pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange. Then we got the scenes. So this is the night scene. This is the read scene. This is the working scene. This is the leisure scene. This is the soap scene. This is the colorful scene. So the colorful scene, you can turn it up and down. So right now I have it on fast, but you can turn it down, slower, then it'll go casually, let it change. I usually keep it on fast, but you know, I like the flashing lights. So in this one we have red, green, blue, yellow, teal, and purple. You can add all the colors that you want. You can put that flash, you can put that static key. You can put it as breathing. So it'll flash orange and red. I usually keep it on flashing. Flash all the colors. Next we got dazzling. This way to change colors too. You can speed it up. Red, green, and blue. You can add more colors if you want. Turn it down. And the last one we got is gorgeous. Gorgeous, it has all different types of colors. Gorgeous. Change little by little. And then it has music. As I told, you can see that the lamp changes colors. So, and it goes with music as well. I'm not going to play music from to get copyrighted, but as you can see, as I told, the lamp changes colors. Right, let's test it out. Back to white. Bright. See? More into white. One's like a bluish. White. Then you go back up to full white. More white. Yellow. Yeah. So that's the end of this video, guys. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe if you like this unboxing and review on this LED smart lamp. And tell me if y'all want more stuff like this. And thanks for watching 360 Gang, and we out.
If we ain't talking about a bag, you ain't even gotta bother me. Niggas see the way, but them niggas try to copy me. I hang out with the